Hi, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. All right, we are going to start off with our rhyming. Remember, you're going to repeat after me. Give me a thumbs up if it rhymes and a thumbs down if it doesn't. All right, here we go. Stare he. You got it. Hen then. Through who? Bed dark. Tap rap. Nice job. All right, next one we're saying two words that have the same beginning sound. Repeat after me. Come, camp, ka. Dog, doll, duh. Weak, wild, wah. For, first, f. Tent, tall, t. All right, grab those choppers. We're going to say a word in two parts and then say it all together. So you're going to watch me, then it's your turn. Hug, hug. Own, town. Or, for. Ite, night. Eep, leap. Great job. All right, our next one's our roller coaster. Remember, we're going to start at the beginning, do a middle sound, and then the end. Here we go. Man. Middle sound. Ah, you got it. Next one. Bell. B-e-l. Middle sound. Eh. Kid. K-I-d. Middle sound. I. Not. N-ought. Middle sound. Ah. Hut. H-a-t. Middle sound. Very good. The next one, you need your choppers again. We're going to say the whole word first, then chop it into two. Here we go. Quick. Ick. Can. An. Past. Asked. Win. In. Have. Av. Awesome. Next one, we're adding a part of a word. So you're going to start with a section of a word and you're going to add a beginning sound. Repeat after me. At. Add k. Cat. L. Add b. Bell. Ick. Add t. Tick. Op. Add Mop. Ugh. Add h. Hug. Nice job. Our last one is deleting. So you're going to hold a word in your hands and we're going to take away part of that word. Mad. Without what's left is add. Peck. Without p, what's left is ek. Hill. Without h, what's left is ill. Sob. Without s, what's left is ob. Jump. Without j, what's left is ump. Very good. Awesome job today, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.